If your truck is not starting, Freightliner Henworth Mac Peterbilt, you have a 4 wires, you have a starter, and you have a key. This is your cam for the fuse. So focus on your batteries, just clean it. Before you clean it, take a picture, clean it and put it back, spray the battery cleaner, and then on the positive one on your cable, make sure your cable is thick enough. It's not a small cable, just has to be very thick. So put your positive cable on your starter, negative on your alternator. It will work in 2 minutes instead of just giving it to the battery. Thank you.